Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today. We're going to do a 3-cup flip cup on a 12 by 18 canvas. And I've taken inspiration from my previous painting, the 5-compartment split cup ring pour that I did. A lot of peacock colors in there. So I've taken 4 of those colors and put them in here. So everything here is Liquitex except for the white is Artist Loft. So we got cerulean blue hue, gold, so I took out the yellow and put gold in instead, deep violet, titanium white, turquoise blue, and ivory black. And I'm going to layer them starting with the cerulean blue to the black and do 2 layers. So I won't bore you with the lengthy process of layering it. I will pause you, then bring you back. And there we go. All filled up. We'll get them flipped over. Probably could have gone with smaller cups, but too late now. Okay, so pouring medium is 60% PVA glue, Elmer's glue all, 40% water, and I have mixed these with the Liquitex just over, or 1 part paint to just under 1.5 parts pouring medium till I got to the right consistency. And the Liquitex is a bit, sorry, the Artist Loft is a bit not as thick. So that one was closer to a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, I'm gonna pause you for a second while we wait for these to release and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I've given them enough time. So let's see what we're gonna get out of these cups. Oh, turquoise is a dominant color. I had a feeling it would be. Just getting my edges. Just getting them wet down. Okay. Spin that one around a bit. See if we can get something a little different. Ooh, we got that gold. Nice. Okay, last one. Just don't want it falling off the edge there if I can help it. Don't want to lose my paint that quickly. Okay, oh, we got some pretty cells coming up. Loving that gold there. That's going to look so pretty once it's dry. Okay, we're going to go this way. Try and keep you in frame. Got a bit of a green popping out. Back, go to the other side. Go. I gotta fix that one edge. I'm just gonna do that real quick. While I'm by the same colors. And it's over on that side. Here we go. Okay, wipe my hands. We will torch. See what pretty colors we can get up, pretty cells. Oh, let me spin it around before I do that. Getting ahead of myself. Hopefully you're still in frame. Move over that way. that a second. Did pop lots of bubbles, but I can still see a few more. Of course, I don't see my bamboo skewer. Oh, I found it. There's some nice cells popping up there. Just want to pop this bubble right here. There we go. Are there any other obvious ones that need to get popped? There's a big one right there. Another big one right there. I know you can't see them, but I can see them. That one doesn't want to pop. Okay, we'll leave that one alone. Got some nice cells there. Need a bit more in here. So let's give it another torch. Get some more up. Well, I got a little close. Got lots of little ones popping up now. I still need some more up there. Must be really thick there. I'm good on that side. Center is getting a bit better. Do want to get a bit more through this turquoise and black. Okay, there's a few more popping up there. Very silly on this end. That's okay. I like doing the flip cups because I like the looks of the cells, but you can over torch, and I'm terrible for over torching. Okay, I think we can start stretching this out. Oh, that little corner there's got little cells on it. We're not keeping that corner. Paint back, get that last corner. Oh, this is looking so pretty. I'm really liking this. Get that edge over. Let's get the paint back to the middle. There. What do you think? I think that looks beautiful. Really liking this color combination. And where that gold is right there, that's gonna look so nice when it's dry. But here, I'm gonna see if I can get you zoomed in a little bit. Get you a better look. So there, what do you think? I am loving these colors together. This is such a pretty piece, super happy with it. And that gold that you can see popping through, that is gonna look so pretty once this is dried and I varnished it. I can't wait. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. Until next time.